Hello guys, welcome to Pepcoding, and today we're gonna solve this question: fold of a linked list. Right. So let me first explain you the statement of the question, what question wants from us. And after that, we will gonna understand its approach, how we can try it, how we can solve it. Okay. So let's go to the open board and teach you everything. So right now I have a linked list: A B C D E F G H I. This is our linked list I have already made. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. These are connected, right? So this is given. The question, a linked list is already given. What we need to do is we need to fold it. The question is how we need to fold it. We can fold it in a lot of ways, but how? This is the question, right? So understand. We need to do what? We need to connect A with leftmost I. After that, I with B. Then B with H. Then H with C. Then C with G. G with D. D with F. F with E. So the output we need is this. Something like this. Okay. We need to update this linked list in such a way that it will give us the output of A is connected to I, and I is connected to what? B is connected to what? H is connected to C, is connected to G, is connected to D, is connected to F, is connected to E. Okay. Right now, this is the linked list we have given. This is the output. This is the output we need. Let me remove it first. Okay, let me erase it. Okay. Okay. These two, these also. Okay. Done. So now understand. This is our question list. This is our output. So one thing which a lot of you can say that we can do it in such a way that we will make two traversal. I with I and J, and we will in first traversal we will take our pointer at I, and then we will move till I, and then we connect A with I. Then we connect I with B, and then again to connect B with H, we make one more traversal till H. Then we connect H with C, and then again we make one more traversal till G. So this will give you the output. This will give you the same output, but the thing is, it will give you in ON square. This will give you the output in ON square, but we need to find it in what? We need to find it in ON. So I'll teach you the formula for ON, solution of ON. Okay. Now you are excited about this question? Let's start. Now I'm going to teach you its approach. Understand first thing. Here we have A, then we have I have A. Take another color. A is connected to B, is connected to, then not connected to, but A, then B, then C, then D, and then E. This is the first thing. The second thing is, if you go the backward direction, F with G, G with H, H with I. These are this. So now we know that we need to find it. So from till A, B, C, D, E. So A, B, C, D, E. This is a half linked list which comes in the same order: A, B, C, D, E. And in the half linked list, F, G, H, I, which comes in reverse order: I, H, G, F. This linked list comes in reverse order. This in same order. And the output we need is in the merge of same and reverse. These are the things we understand till now. That half of our linked list comes in the same order, other half comes in the reverse order, and both are connected in such a way that it will give us the output as a folded linked list. Okay, so for that we have three steps. To do this, we have three steps. Okay, remove this for now. I will tell you all the three steps to do this. Okay, so first step is find mid. Second step is find reverse. Third step is connect. To do this question, you just need to understand three concepts: find middle, find reverse, and then connect them in such a way that you will get your desired output. So for now, we're gonna do first step, which is finding middle. How we can find middle? So one more thing, we have already made the video of find middle and find reverse. How you can find middle of a linked list and how you can find reverse of a linked list. So I will not explain you each and everything of middle and reverse. So before coming to this question, pause this question here and go back to these two videos and first understand these two concepts. Then come to this video if you haven't learned about these concepts. Okay. So now let's find the middle of this linked list. Find middle, what we will do is it's slow. This is fast. You take 2 pointers, slow and fast. Then I will move fast with 2 step 1, 2. I will move slow with 1 step. And again fast with 2 step. And again slow with 1 step. Then again fast with 2 step. And again slow with 1 step. And again fast with 2 step. Then again slow with 1 step. So now slow is our mid. Slow is what? Slow is our middle element. Move it. Again. Right. Now we know slow is our middle element. Now we need to do what is middle dot next is equal to new head. We have to update it. We have to update middle dot next is to new head and we have to remove this bond. Now we got our two links, which was A, B, C, D, E, L, E, and then F, G, H, I, F, G, H, I. Now the first thing is done. So make it done. The second thing we are going to do is find reverse. Okay. So now understand that if we just have to find the reverse. Okay. The reverse of F, G, H, I will be something. This will happen if we are gonna find the reverse. Something this will be, we will gonna find. We will find it like I is connected to H, H is connected to G, G is connected to F, and new head will be I. This is the list we get, and I can say now that this list will be something like this: I, H, G, F, and connected something like this. Okay, now we have our these two lists: A, B, C, D, E, I, H, G, F. Sorry, I, H. Oh, sorry, it is wrong. I, H, G, F. I, H, G, F. F. I, H, G, F, A, B, C, D, E. So these are the. So first of all, what we will do is we will do these two functions first. Find mid, find reverse, and after that I will gonna explain you everything in this connect section. So let's put find mid and find reverse first. Okay. So let me get our code portal. Okay. So first of all, let's find the function. Let's write the function to find middle. So that will be something like this: public static list node mid node list node node. This will I will get this if node is equal to null, or node dot next is equal to null. We do what? We do return. This is to return node. First thing is, if node is equal to null and node dot next is equal to null, so that means if we only had one node, or if we don't have any node, we need to return node. There is no node, so it is the only thing which is we have. Then we have to do two things. List node. First, we will define what slow is, which is node. Second, list node. Fast, also node. Okay, I did two things. Now I'll make our loop, while loop, which is fast dot next is not equal to null, and fast dot next is not equal to null. Here slow is equal to slow dot next. Then again fast is equal to fast dot next. And at last it will be return slow. So from this function, now we have our middle node. What we did here is we run slow one time and we run fast two jumps every time. And then fast dot next is equal to null, is equal to null, or fast dot next is equal to null is our termination point of our loop, and at that time slow is our mid. After that we need to write our reverse function. So public static list node reverse list node list node. Okay, so same, I have to make the same base statement here. So let's copy this. After that, list node previous is equal to null. Second thing is list node current is equal to node. Third thing is while current is not equal to null. Then list node forward is equal to current dot next. Current dot next is equal to previous, and previous is equal to current, and current is equal to. If you have any query regarding these two functions, okay, so if you have any kind of query regarding these two questions, we already have videos of these two questions, middle of a linked list and reverse of a linked list, so you can go there and understand that first, right? For now we make 2 pointers, previous and current, and we run a loop till current is not equal to null. Now in the loop we make our forward link node, we have a forward pointer, and we will point it to current dot next. In the next step we do current dot next to previous, and previous we will put to current, and current to forward. This is done. Then return previous. Now let's get these two things in our main function, in our fold function. If head is equal to null, or head dot next is equal to null, return. Now comes main part. List node middle is equal to mid node head. Then list node head is equal to middle dot next. Then middle dot next is equal to null. The first thing is this list node middle. We find our middle from our middle node function. Then we find our, we make new next head to middle dot next, and then middle dot next is equal to null. We break that down. Then after that, n head is equal to reverse list, and n head. After that, list node c1. I will I will do this because I will first explain you these things. Now we have n head of reverse list and these things are done. Now the last part of our question is left, which is connect. So let's do the connect part. Let's first understand how we can do that connect part. Okay, understand now. We have these two lists, which is this and this. Okay. And what we will do is we will take four pointers, C1, C2, F1, and F2. We take these two pointers here. Remove it for now. These also. So now you can see A is connected to I. Let me make something which you understand the pattern, how we have to do it. A is connected to I. Let me connect it. A is connected to I is connected to B. I is connected to B is connected to H. H is connected to C is connected to G is connected to D is connected to F is connected to E. So basically, this is the pattern we need to do. And E is then null. Right? So now we need to do what? If we make these bonds and we break these bonds, we got our folded linked list, right? So for that we make four pointers, C1, C2, F1, F2, and we do some things. What we do is, you will wanna understand it further. So first of all, we do is we break this bond, and we will connect C1 dot next to C2. We will connect this. How we will connect it? Something like this. After that, we will break this bond and we will connect this to remove it first. Then this bond to F2. The second thing is we need to do is C2 dot next to F1. Two things are done. After that, we need to do is what? Update or move. You have to do this. So what we will do is we will take our C1, put it here, take our C2, put it here, take our F1, one more big position, and F2 to here. Even now again you have to remove these bonds. Okay, and we have to do what? C2 this, C1 dot next and C2 dot next to this. Then again move them forward, move this forward also, take them here, take it here also. Then again the same thing. It is here, it is here. And again the same thing. It is here, it is here. And before that, we have to do what? We have to move it. Move it something like that. Okay. Then again, update here. Move it again forward. Move it here. Move it here. Move it here. Then again, this will be to this. So now you can see our C2 is null. Okay. C2 is null before C1. One statement you got it. C2 is null before C1. When our linked list is odd, in odd situation. The size of our linked list is odd. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, this is done. Now if you remember what happened if our linked list is even at even position. If there is no E, C1 and C2 both will become null at same time. And this is our termination point of our loop. So no matter if it is even or if it is odd, C2 is either get null before C1 or at the same time of C1. So we have to make our statement In such a way, we can only have we just have to put the statement of C2 here. And if C2 is not null, we can make our loop. And when C2 is null, that is our termination point. Okay. And we have to make these two things. C1.next is equal to C2, C2.next is equal to F1. And then update or move. So let's do this connect part now. Okay. Okay, here's our code function. Now we have to first of all do two things. Just node C1 is equal to head. Just node C2 is equal to new head. Then while C1 is not equal to null and C2 is not equal to null. Just node F1 is equal to C1 dot next. Just node F2 is equal to C2 dot next. Then C1 dot next is equal to C2. If you remember, we have to make C1 dot next to C2 and C2 dot next to F1. And at last we have to move C1 to F1, right? C2 to F2. And if you can understand the theory, now you understand our question is done. And one more thing, we don't even have to put this condition here. C1 is not equal to null. We can only just put C2 because either C2 will get null before C1 or C2 will get null at exact same time when C1 gets null. So we can only put one situation here. Let's run this code and see if there is any compilation error. If you find, we will solve it. But the thing is, you understand the logic behind it. Logic is more important. So accept it. So now submit this question. Okay. Correct answer. So if you like my explanation, like the video, if you have any query regarding it, you can comment it out and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much, guys.